friends, today I will tell first one, simplify the following. First question is 3 bracket t minus 3 equals to 5 bracket 2t plus 1. Why I kept like this means 3 into t, we have to multiply 3 into t, 3t minus 3 3s are 9 equals to 5 into 2, 10t plus 5 1s are 5. Third step, we have to separate the what are the variables and what are the constants. That's why I separated 3t minus 10t equals to 5 plus 9 minus 70, 10 minus 3 minus 5 minus 70 equals to 5 plus 9, 14, t equals to 14 by 7, 7 1s are 7 2s are, t equals to minus 2. The first one answer is minus 2. The second question is x by 1 equals to 4 by 5 bracket x plus 10 close bracket. First question only we have to multiply x into 5. 5x equals to 4 1s are 4. X plus 10. Bracket meaning we have to multiply 4 into x. 4x plus 4 10s are 40. We have to separate what are the constants and what are the variables. 5x minus 4x equals to 40, 1x equals to 40, x equals to 40 by 1 equals to 40. Second one answer is 40. Third one, the third question is 8x plus 4 equals to 3 bracket x minus 1 plus 7. 8x plus 4 equals to 3x minus 3 1s are 3 plus 7. 3x minus 3x, we have to separate what are the constants and variables. That's why I separated 8x minus 3x equals to plus 4. If it will go to RHS side means minus 4. Minus 3 plus 7. Minus plus. Minus. 7 onwards minus 4. Plus plus 5x. 8 onwards 3 minus means 5x. It will come equals to plus and minus minus. 4 onwards 4 minus means 0. 5x equals to 0, x equals to 0 by 5, 0 and 0 equals to, the third one answer is 0. Fourth question is 2x by 3 plus 1 equals to 7x by 15 plus 3. 2x by 3 minus 7x by 15 plus 7x by 15, if it will go to left hand side means minus 7x by 15 equals to 3 plus 1, if it will go to RHS side means minus 1. We have to take LCM 3 and 15. 15. 10x minus 7x equals to 3 onwards 1 cancel 2. 10 onwards 7 cancel means 3x by 15 equals to 2. 3x equals to 2 into 15. 3x equals to 30. X equals to 30 by 3. 3 1s are 3 10s are equals to 10. The fourth one answer is 10. Thank you.